we go. Just pulled it out the oven. Oh wow, that smells unreal. Are those chocolate chips? Those are chocolate chips. And of course they're gonna be sugar-free chocolate chips. So now she's practicing her Spanish. But now it's transferred to a cooling rack where it's gonna cool so it doesn't get too tough, the crust. It's hard. It's super hard actually. Beautiful out here. Beautiful, chilling, good vibes. Chill, super chill here. It's the chillest place I've ever been. You gotta race to play. You gotta win. This is okay, but it's never, once again, the sun is never out, so it never looks like this. This is a very rare time. People out here, not really too many people actually. I'm surprised. Once again, not that many people out here. Like, where is everybody? Working? Like, no way. People don't work here. There's only retired people here. So I'm trying to figure out, well, people work, but not that many. It's okay. I'm not impressed with nothing out here so far. Yeah, be out here for a little bit and slide. Wow, this is so good. This banana bread feels so good. Wow, she even got chocolate chips. So she always surprising me. No, nigga, you're not getting nothing.
To train and Stairmaster's calling. Our kind of Saturday night. I think it's Saturday. Stairmaster date.
Let's go.
Other people go out for dinner on Saturday night.
Nah, gym time.
We do gym time.
Gym date.
Favorite time of quality. Kind of quality time for
That's
us.
why we made this marriage work for so long.
Yeah.
Gym dates. Every week.
Every day.
Every day. I didn't want to let nobody people know everything now. So it's coming out.
We have now the first interval done. Now round 2. At 9 minutes, we're going to start second interval.
Let's go. Feeling good, man. It's hard, but
I almost died. He said 2.5 minutes. I don't know if his purpose is really to destroy me.
what you say?
Oh, I'm wondering about your purpose in my life.
It's top secret.
It killed me because it's 2.5 minutes on 11. And the last round, it was a bit much. You smashed it. Your form is getting really good.
We smashed it.
You did a lot without your hands. It's really good for your core.
Very tired.
Yeah.
Ugh. Now to off to the. It looks good outside though.
Yeah. Now off to the Vons. We're checking if they have still the same deal on the milk.
So your first time trying this, California Farms.
See, coconut almond. This is good. I just don't know if I want it in my matcha, but this is really good. How you like that?
I like it.
You don't like it like too much?
I really like it. I've had it before
Ah, okay, so you're not.
from my childhood, in a sense.
This is almond vanilla.
Bet.
Let's see if that's better than other almond vanilla we have there. So you got a really good deal on that. Oh wow, this is way stronger in vanilla than the other one.
Yeah, that's good.
I think I take this for my matcha. Come with us to Trader Joe's for a little grocery shop. Mama said, oopsie. Wir sind in San Diego. Hey, wir sind in San Diego. Let's go to finish. I love my German. Crazy hill for his friends.
That's what I'm saying. Like, but that's good. That's where we used to live in La Paz. We had here like that. That's the shit right there.
So we're now here at the Navy Exchange. Waiting out here. Waiting out here because I can't go in because I'm not military. Obviously not. And he's using the bathroom. So waiting out here with the bikes. Now we continue our journey. Wir fahren jetzt durch die Geisterstadt hier. Ghost Town. Geisterstadt. So here here's Chick-fil-A. Salon, hair salon. I'm going in there, mi amor. And Trader Joe's. Oh wow.
Oh, what's up? I'm sorry, I could have hit you.
Braucht meine Jacke.
Okay.
Braucht meine Jacke. I need my jacket.
Oh.
It's in the backpack.
Okay.
So it's going to be tight.
That's German? Oh wow. That sounds like a different language. I don't exist. Okay. Got a bad view.
Was brauchen wir?
Okay, so we're going to gluten-free bagels.
Best gluten-free bagels. Frei Gluten, frei Gluten, frei Gluten, frei.
Live without these, baby. We're gonna have to bring
Yeah, we
Like-
can bring 2 packs to wherever we go.
3.
Yeah.
Oh, you good? You good? Oh yeah. We lit.
Yeah. Is there something else we usually get here? Mi amor. Yeah, I get these. Oh wow, chocolate chunks. Gluten-free, dairy-free. Yeah. Cane sugar.
¿Cuántos?
4.
4.
That's new. Strawberry and cornflake muffin loaf cake mix.
Oh wow.
I'm just messing with you. Vitamins, bitte.
Yay, wir haben es geschafft. Sind wieder zurück zu Hause.
A casa, vamos a casa.
Hunger?
Yeah, yeah.
Der große Hunger. Q-Dip, der ist echt crazy.
Yeah, lecker.
Lecker. What are you?
Lactose intolerant.
Ja,
Lactose intolerant.
Laktose intolerant. So 4 von denen, daran Hummus, glutenfreies Mehl, glutenfreie Bagels, everything Bagels.